and we come back and offer amendments.
I have general questions. My first general question is, I received correspondence that we can't communicate outside of this forum. I don't know how that's going to allow us to facilitate any type of meetings if we're only able to meet once a month. And so how do we do our work in a deliberate fashion or review anything or begin that process? I'm having trouble understanding the process because what was articulated to me initially and what you guys are saying now is totally different. And it feels like right now we're existing to satisfy what the voters voted for, but we're not actually being allowed to do the work. And I say that because it feels like we're being slow walked, and then we're also being hamstrung in the fact that we are not getting the deliverables or even a schedule on how that's going to look. And so those are the answers that I'm looking for so that we know how we're going to move forward, because we've done all the prerequisites, but when do we actually get to do the work? And I believe one of my colleagues said they were trying to get some information and were told that they were not allowed to. So what is that process for them to do that? So those are the questions that I have. I don't feel like we're being deliberate enough because, as I said in that email, it's been a few years.
Yeah, so Commissioner Flood, to your question about conducting work outside of this meeting, the Texas Open Meetings Act requires that any deliberations of a quorum of the body take place in an open meeting.
Understood, but I'm not saying
so
deliberations. I'm saying communications in general.
Yes, the Texas Open Meetings Act considers communications to be deliberations.
So even through email, which is official documents that the taxpayers can request through FOIA, we cannot communicate with each other outside of this meeting.
A quorum of the members of this body cannot have deliberations outside of a posted open meeting.
Is the email you're referring to where it said don't reply all?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a common practice in governmental bodies. You don't reply all because then you're creating a quorum.
I understand.
If you want to send me an email,
okay,
just you and I could communicate via email, but you can't. It's not a good practice to reply.
So all. I cannot reply. Okay, I will not reply all, but what is the limit of the number of people I can reply to?
A quorum of this body is 6 individuals.
So long as I communicate with less than 6 individuals, we can communicate.